Hi guys, my name is Michelle from modernlymichelle.com, and if you're interested in fashion, luxury, and lifestyle, then you're in the right place. Please be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I know. Who is she? Who is she? Where has she been? I've been gone. I have been gone for sure. I feel like it's definitely been a back and forth with me. If you are a subscriber and you've watched my videos in the past, first things first, hey guys, thank you for watching and tuning into this video. But I have been gone because there have been quite a few life changes. I did have a second baby this year, and just different things, life changes, different things that's come up. So I have stepped away a bit from YouTube. I have been active on Instagram, so please be sure to follow me there at Modernly Michelle if you want to kind of tune into more day to day. But for YouTube, I want to kind of use the remainder of this year to kind of get back on track, share some content with you guys, and hopefully it's things that you guys want to see and you guys enjoy. All right, you guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing this Brandon Blackwood bag. This is a part of his fall collection, and y'all, when I saw he was dropping a fall collection, I was like, okay. So I definitely was kind of doing a little bit of research, looking into what he's dropping, and I have been on the hunt for this bag in particular. Well, not this bag, I should say, but a bag in this color. And I had one, didn't really feel like I really wanted that one. I wanted something that had a little bit more pizzazz to it, and this Brandon Blackwood bag is it. So I had another Brandon Blackwood bag, and the packaging was not like this. So he definitely upgraded the packaging, which is so great to see. When you open it up, it does come with this card. And then here is the bag. Guys, y'all not ready for this. Look at this bag. How gorgeous is this? Look at the foil. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this protective covering on the handle. It also has plastic here on the hardware. So this bag, as you can see, has a gorgeous foiled kind of look. And it also has like crumpled, like it looks kind of crumpled as well. I believe this is the oil slick leather. And this bag, like I said, is just gorgeous. So it has the functionality of where you can carry a top handle, which I have learned I am a top handle girl. But it also has the opportunity for you to push this down and carry it as a clutch, which I love so much. I also love that he followed the trend and mixed metals. So the hardware on the bag is gold, and then obviously the entire bag is silver. This is the inside of the bag. So it does have like the protective gel things, and then it also has the tag that was inside of the bag as well. So within this bag, what I really like, what I'm just noticing, is it has, if you guys probably can't see this because it's black, but it has pockets here that you can put your cards in if you don't want to carry like your entire wallet inside of the bag. And then it also has a zipper compartment here with gold detailing that you can get into as well. And then it's a pretty wide bag. I'll make sure to put the specs on the screen, but it will definitely fit a phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone in here. As you can see, it closed with no problem. It's not bulging or anything, so it's perfect. All right, so this bag in particular actually comes in a few other colors, and I also think it comes in snakeskin as well. So it comes in gold, which was also gorgeous. It also comes in black, this silver metallic, and then I believe a snakeskin print. This bag also retails for $215, which I think for the craftsmanship, just off of looking at it, the way it feels, the way it looks, I definitely think that's an awesome price point for a bag. If you are getting into luxury bags and kind of wanting to step your bag collection up a bit, I think Brandon Blackwood is a perfect place to start. And it's also a black owned brand, which I will always love. So this bag is gorgeous. I cannot not wait to carry this fall and winter. I think this is gonna look so nice, especially if you're like, I'm the type that I like to like dress up like dressy casual. So I can definitely see myself wearing this with like my dupe for the Mason Margiela slash jeans with a pair of heels, a white button down, and kind of dress it up but dress it down at the same time. Carry this bag. I also love silver and navy blue, so I can't wait to wear like a navy blue look and then carry this bag, whether it's top handle or pushing it down and just carrying it as a clutch. It'll be perfect for the holiday season as well, y'all. Like, Brandon ate with this bag, okay? And I think his fall winter collection is amazing. If you haven't checked it out, I definitely recommend you do. All right, you guys, well, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Like I said, I do have more content coming up soon, and I'm super excited to get back into the swing of things and chatting with you all and just sharing different things with you guys. But in the meantime, like I said, please be sure to follow me on Instagram at modernlymichelle, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.